What up, YouTube? I'm out here at Holley Skatepark in La Center, Washington. I'm gonna do a quick tour and I'm gonna get some clips, so stay tuned. So hit that thumbs up, subscribe, join me on the journey. Let's go. Got this little ledge right here. It's a great manual pad. And then followed it on, we got this nice little flat rail. It's perfect height. Perfect height little ledge. Coming down to this 4 stair with a hubba ledge on both sides. Nice little bank going up. Cool 4 stair coming down. And we got 2 smaller ledges right here. Nice metal coping, everything smooth. Make your way down. We got this triangle ledge with this little bump, and it also has a gap in the center of it. Really unique. It is a little bit of an up gap, but it's not bad at all. It's really fun. Let's look back on the park. The ledges. It's really fun. Now this piece is super unique. It's really fun. Cool flat rail in the center with these ledges on the side. It's kind of weird that it's a triangle and the highest point is in the middle, so you kind of have to gap across to grind it going down. And then to end the park, we have another quarter pipe, or we have the only quarter pipe here. It's about 5 feet tall, and there's a slight curve to it. See, just a nice little curve. And that's the end of the park right there. Friday, and everybody's at school, overcast. Today's perfect to come out and get some clips.
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth, can't put me down, I'll be getting loud. You can have it douse, not what I'm about, have your cloud, it be raining now. I keep making sound, go another round, I'm legend bound, can't stop me now. You don't wanna I slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can't show you things that you couldn't believe. Just tell me that I can't. 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 Cause I just wanna hear it out your mouth, yeah. Give me fuel, it's a tool that I use to go ahead and run my mouth, yeah. I take shots, I take loss, I make shots, I miss lots. That's how you get big box, you get yachts, you swing lots and pop off a big shot. I ain't done chasing, got big dreams, bigger things, impatient. Who's at the top think they need replacement? Who's at the top think I'm gonna erase them? Face it, I don't give up quick, I don't give up, I won't give up this. Cause I know that I want it, know that I'm on it, I'll make it, I promise.